A story of the indigenous women of Kampung Pasir. Amidst the fertile landscape of Garut, a new movement is growing, rooted in tradition yet bold in its vision. In Kampung Pasir, women from Sunda Wiwitan Indigenous community have embraced Batik tulis not just as a craft, but as a form of cultural regeneration. A conscious step to revive what was once dormant. In the beginning, they relied on synthetic dyes, limited by access and market demands. But today, they are courageously transitioning to natural dyes. With training and support from Empu Jalin Karsa, they began exploring earth-friendly techniques. Not only do they use locally sourced ingredients, they now create their own pigments from household waste like onion skins, coconut husk, leaves, and so much more. This is not merely a technical shift, it is a deliberate act of care for the earth, for culture, and for the future. This transformation has brought more than an artistic revival. It has opened new pathways. Though still in transition, their work is starting to attract attention from broader audiences, locally and globally. Each piece of cloth is not only beautiful, but also carries powerful messages of identity, sustainability, and the empowerment of indigenous women. At Empu Jalin, we believe that real change begins with those who dare to reimagine their traditions. Through collaboration and dedication, we stand beside communities as rediscover possibilities, where culture and sustainability walk hand in hand. With our vision, natural dyeing is no longer a fading tradition. It is a path forward. A future where culture is honored, the environment is protected, and local artisans thrive with dignity. They are not just artisans. They are land stewards, story carriers, color keepers. Every cloth they make is a testimony of tradition reimagined, of sustainability turned into sovereignty. From the indigenous women of Kampung Pasir, from Garut to the world.